Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you are ready, let's go. Let's talk about the recent price action and how we can break down the technicals in this chart. The first thing you probably noticed is that the price was clearly pushing in one direction. That move lined up with the previous day's high and also connected with this 4 hours high. And if you look to the left, you will see that we got a set of equal highs sitting here together. So it was pretty clear that the price was working its way upwards. And imagine that based on the technicals you just spotted, you decided to take a trade. You took something like this simple, a compact, small 1.5 hour setup, basically a set and forget kind of trade. Now this trade could have lost or maybe not played out at all. What matters is that you outlined your plan and followed it. Now let's zoom in on the price action and really think about what actually happened here. One of the biggest questions is, what does the current structure look like before the trade? If you look closely at the price action, it keeps forming new higher highs and it moves upward. And basically the buyers are stepping in, taking control of this move, pushing the price higher. This part is pretty clear. And next, we already noticed the most likely direction where the buyers are trying to push the price. This lines up with the previous day's high, the 4-hour high, and those equal highs all forming together. And finally, we've got this interesting imbalance sitting here. If you take a careful look, you can see that it is completely filled. And if that imbalance holds, this could be a solid place for me to put my stop loss for the moment. It is actually a very simple idea. If the bullish structures keeps holding, we are most likely keep going up. However, if the bullish structures start to fail and one after another, it is probably sellers taking the control. It is a super simple concept that you can use in your trading and thinking. In the end, this is not an amazing trade as you noticed, because you don't really have much room for a nice reward when your stop loss is pretty big. But in trading, this is where things get tricky. You can't expect big rewards all the time. Honestly, most of the time you won't get them. And that's why I always say to keep your rewards tight, realistic, and compact as much as possible. Because at the end of the day, it is much better to lock some profits than wait forever and end up losing the whole thing. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free TradingView indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.